Unit 2 test, proportionality and functions. Number 1. Which of the graphs below represent y as a function of x? Which is a function? Number 2. Which of the following is not a correct representation of a function? Which is not a function? A, B, C. For every value of x, there's exactly one y value. Or D, which is not a function. Number 3. Which of the following graphs represents a proportional relationship? Which of these is a proportion? Number 4. Which of the following functions represents a non-proportional relationship? Non-proportional. Number 5. A relation contains the points 1, 2, 2, -1, 3, 0, 4, 1, 5, -1. Which statement accurately describes this relation? F. The relation does not represent y as a function of x because each value of x is associated with a single value of y. G. The relation represents y as a function of x because one value of y is associated with two values of x. H. The relation does not represent y as a function of x because each value of y is associated with two values of x. J. The relation represents y as a function of x because each value of x is associated with a single value of y. Number 6. Which graph appears to show a proportional relationship between x and y? Which is a proportion? Seven. Which mapping does not show y as a function of x? Which is not a function? Number 8. Which equation shows a non-proportional relationship between x and y? Which is non-proportional? Nine. Which of the following representations describes a proportional relationship? A, B, C, D. Type them in. Get the equation. Which one is proportional? Number 10. Which situation could not represent a proportional relationship? F. The number of gallons of water in X barrels with 42 gallons of water in each barrel. G. The amount an employee who makes $8.50 per hour earns in 8 hours. H. The weight in X weeks of a puppy that gains 2 pounds per week if its starting weight is 8 pounds. J. The cost of purchasing P pounds of bananas for 55 cents per pound, which is not proportional. Number 11. Which of the following tables represents a non-proportional relationship? Which of these is non-proportional? 12. Which set of ordered pairs represents y as a function of x? Which is a function?